Well, hello, YouTube. It's me, Tri-State EDC. A very fortuitous day. A very fortuitous unboxing. It's about 8 o'clock at night here in the greater Tri-State area. And we got a little package come to me all the way from Latvia, which I think can only mean one thing. Rob Johnson's. That is right. I have not. I had a live stream about 4 hours ago, 5, 6, 7, 8 hours ago. It's been a long day. I've been up since like 7 a.m. It's now 8. I've been up for 13 hours. I had a 3-hour live stream. I filmed 3 unboxings already, but this arrived and I have to open it, baby. I have to, but I need the right knife to do it. So you see, the only way to open Rob Johnson's is with a Rob Johnson. So this is my Cypress V2. Rob Johnson's, I think that's his name. Rob, I hope that's your real name. I don't know why you would use somebody else's name. Sent this to me as a gift, and it is to this day one of my favorite knives. He makes all these. They're basically customs. He makes them in Latvia, or like very small run. It's one dude making these knives, so I'm gonna classify this as a custom. Do you know what I mean? It's up there. It's up there. So we're gonna use the Cypress to open this. To this day, one of the sharpest knives out of the box I've ever opened. Just the thinness of that hollow grind is absurd. It's absurd. The Latvians don't mess around. Oh, bro, I forgot. More Latvian chocolates. Oh, my wife's gonna be pumped. Nothing left in there. Yeet. See ya. Pumped. Pumped about that. Sick. Latvian chocolates. These are so good. So good. A little chocolate truffle action. We got a nice little boxaroo. Swaddled. I'll get there eventually. I'll get there someday. Ooh. Oh! Oh, I wish you had smell-o-vision. I wish I could share this with you. Good God, that smells so good. Even the bubble wrap smells good. Yeah, dude. Beautiful. Handcrafted wood box. Maybe he buys these. Oh, maybe he makes them. Oh, I'm assuming the last box was Cedar, and I have to assume, or was Cypress, and I have to assume this is Cedar. It smells like cedar. I actually licked it. It tastes like cedar. Oh, I'm so jacked, dude. Oh my God, I had no idea it was this much bigger. Woo! Oh, dude. Holy shit. Holy shit. Oh, yeah, this is the Rob Johnson Cedar. This is the Cypress's big bro. I love the Cypress. I like small, gentlemanly knives. And as far as small, gentlemanly knives, it doesn't get much better than this. Even people that know nothing about knives, if I pull this out to use it like a family gathering or something like that, people that know nothing about knives and don't care about knives, look at this, they see this and they go, oh my God, where did you get that? And I have to explain to them, sorry, this was like a, it's a custom. Some guy in Latvia makes them. And they're like, oh, how do you buy those? Rob Johnson's website, baby. So I told him to surprise me on the finish, on the handle finish. Oh, and he did not disappoint. So we have the hexagon pattern to match my Cypress here, but we have the knurling, real fine knurling underneath, and the purple blurple anodizing underneath, but then like silvery satin tops. Blurple hardware, very simple construction, body screw, pivot screw, hidden hardware on the clip. Look at the texture, look at the detail. Look at the detail! Oh my God, dude. I've seen tons of pictures of these. I've never touched one. I've never handled one. Love the pocket clip. I mean, I love the pocket clip on the Cypress, but this is sick. It's got that little knurling on there. All titanium. Wow. So we have a back flipper and a big old flicking hole, and this is a bigger knife by a good amount. Spyderco Pair 3. Yeah, a little bit longer than the Pair 3. Tactile Knife Co. Rockwall. Yeah, dude. Whoops, 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 whoops. Yeah, dude, bigger than both by a decent amount. This is a full-size knife. Here's the Cypress. Yeah, dude. Taller, longer, but about the same thickness, like not a very thick knife. Ooh, I just noticed the blurple backspacer. Oh, let's pop her open. I'm dying here. so pumped. Holy Oh, yeah. Tons of internal milling to keep the weight down. This beautifully step-milled grind, machine ground. Oh, you can feel the step milling with your fingers. Oh. Mr. Johnson, sir? Let me tell you, pal. Wow, dude. Wow. Nice jimping here. A little bit soft. Man, oh man. Beautiful drop point style blade. Oh. Spyderco Air 3 Tech. God bless America. If I could learn how to center knives in this place, I'd be good. I need a little dot. I need a little laser pointer. That's what I need. I need a laser pointer from the camera straight down. Yeah, dude, big knife. Not a small knife. That's big boy. He's big boy. Got what, 2.5 inches? About 1.5 inches on the Pair 3 there? Hell yes. Oh, I just want to sit here and look at it, man. Cedar number 59. Ooh. Stainless lock bar insert. Ergos in hand. Yeah, feels great. Feels the hand really nice. Love the texturing from all this crazy pattern here. Feels the hand. Nice swell. Big area right here. Big cutaway. That is so comfortable. That is absurdly comfortable. Thumb on that jimping. Feels good. Again, big knife. Like, look at all this room I got. Big knife. Choke on up right about here. You have a nice little thumb ramp area. Dimple right here. That feels good too. That feels like home. Home sweet home. No issues. I wish I had a big finger 12, but that's fine. I really can't be picky at this kind of quality level. Pinch grip, I can. 85% of the day, maybe. If it had a little bit of a bigger choil, I'd give it an all day. But as it stands, big knife, I'm not really going to be pinch gripping, doing too much detail work with this knife. So I'm not that mad about it. Yeah, no, it's very well balanced. Everything's nicely knocked down. The texturing, everything. You get a little bit of grip from all this. Oh, dude. Lockup is solid as a rock. It just blows me away that he's like a guy. He's just a guy. Do you know what I mean? In Latvia. And he's like, oh, fuck it. I'll make some cool ass knives. I'll never not be blown away by the talent in this community. It just boggles my mind. Action on bearings. Oh, yeah. Detent on that flipper. Yeah, decent. Real minimal, kind of Vero style, super minimal. Whoops. Ow. Flipper. Oh, yeah. It's nice and lubed up. That's why if I slip off of it, it's just because the detent's too good. She's got a little grease on her. She's a little greasy. Reverse flick. Oh, yeah. Detent, look, detent's not miraculous by any means. It's not like rip your tits off really stiff detent. But it is more than enough to pop that blade out. And it's so silent. And so controlled. Just because the tolerances are so absurd. This is the kind of stuff, my dad's been a machinist for 40 years. He runs a CNC machine shop here in Ohio. This is the kind of stuff I show my dad, and he goes, there's no way I could make that for less than $3,000. And I'm like, well, you need to hire some Latvians, I guess, Dad. God. Yeah, it's really good. I knew it would be. It's been a long wait for this, but I've just been patiently waiting my turn, happily carrying this to family functions and on my nights out. But no, yeah, this is something special. It really is. His books are open. You can go buy one of these. Acoustics. Really quiet, really controlled. It's just nuts how good it is. Oh, yeah, you can just go buy one. You're gonna wait, but you put in it's fully customizable, dude. Pick your blade steel, pick your grind, pick your blade finish, pick your freaking handle finish, your anodizing color. Oh, everything. You pick everything, dude. And he will make it happen. The dude is just a freaking Latvian wizard as far as I'm concerned. The Cedar. The Rob Johnson Cedar. I'm mesmerized, dude. I'm just blown away by the skill and the talent in this community all the time. I'm constantly reminded that everyone's more talented than I am. There is, however, one last thing we have to do with this knife. Ooh, we gotta cut something. Blade steel, future me, RWL 34. I don't remember. Oh, it's on the inside of the lid. It's Vanax. Oh, Vanax. Blurple, blurple, blurple. Metal Fade Anno. Honeycomb Stonewash. Vanax. It's Vanax. Of course it is. Why wouldn't it be? Where's my paper? There she is. There she blows. By the way, sorry, future me. I'm filming this after I've recorded the entire video because I forgot to. I got so excited, ended the video, so I could just sit here and play with this knife. I forgot to do the cut test. So here we are. Oh, yeah, really tall flat grind. Relatively not crazy thick blade stock. Relatively thin blade stock. That beautiful machine ground blade. CNC grind. Oh, baby. Not sure what he's running it at, but he's doing these small batch, so I'm assuming the heat treat is just exceptional. Exceptional. I mean, I've beat the hell out of this. This is RWL 34. Not the best steel in the world, but not the worst, and it's like factory fresh still. Yeah, dude. Ribbons. Ribbons. Money. It's incredible. I love it so much. I love it so much. I have constant reminders every day. Every time a knife shows up, I'm like, I could never make that. I could never make that. I just could. I'm not wired that way. It's mind-blowing. You should buy one. Future me price on these guys, I want to say for what they are, relatively reasonable. Like $700, $800, $900 for what this is. For the time and the effort and the detail that it takes to make something like this, I wouldn't even bat an eye at $700, $800, $900. It's stunning. Rob, cannot thank you enough, man. I'm in love. I'm in love. I'll be carrying the living piss out of it, just like I carried this. That's why it's all scratched up and stuff. I'm sorry, I carry my knives, man. And I'm going to carry the hell out of that. Links down below to his Instagram, to his website, direct to the ordering page. I'll just take you straight to the ordering page. If you have the funds, if you're on the lookout for your next grail, for that next big purchase, seriously, look at Rob Johnson's. It's just wild to me. He has 2 models, and he's done them both exceptionally well. And I don't have any complaints. Like, if he can work out a way to make the detent a little stiffer on the Cedar, it would be... Like, that's the only thing that would improve it. Like, I can't think of anything else. Maybe just a tiny bit stiffer detent. But as is, it's miraculous. It's miraculous. I love it. I'm obsessed. I'm gonna carry the shit out of it. Kara's gonna be like, will you put that knife down? I'm gonna say, no, I'm sorry, honey, I can't. I physically can't put it down. Plenty of pictures on Instagram. Be sure to follow me there. Hit me up on TikTok as well. I'm out there. Subscribe to the channel. Like the video. Comment down below. Let me know what you think. Become a channel member, Patreon member. Hit me up on Instagram, TikTok, and Threads. I'm out there. But that is it for me. And I'm giddy as a damn schoolboy right now. How am I supposed to go to sleep after this, huh? Need some chamomile to calm my nerves. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye now.